differentiate with respect to 2x, y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, where 0 less than x less than 1. So which implies y is equal to, sine y is equal to 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, or also we can write 1 upon sine y is equal to 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square. So we had componendo and dividendo property, componendo and dividendo, which states here, if x by y is equal to p by q, this ratio can also be taken as x minus y by x plus y is equal to p minus q by p plus q. So let us apply this componendo and dividendo principle here, so that we can also write 1 minus sine y upon 1 plus sine y is equal to 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square. So on simplifying, you will get 1 minus sine y upon 1 plus sine y is equal to, so here it comes to 2 times of x square upon 2, or we can write simply x square. So we got it, x square is equal to, x square is equal to 1 minus sine y upon 1 plus sine y. And again, by using the property, 1 can be written as 1 minus sine y is nothing but cos y by 2 minus sine y by 2 whole square we can write, or let me write 1 can be written as sine square y by 2 plus cos square y by 2 minus, by using sine y formula, that is 2 sine y by 2 cos y by 2. Similarly in the denominator, sine square y by 2 plus cos square y by 2 plus 2 sine y by 2 cos y by 2. So this can be written as cos y by 2 minus sine y by 2 whole square, and the denominator also we can write cos y by 2 plus sine y by 2 whole square. So which implies that x is equal to cos y by 2 minus sine y by 2 divided by cos y by 2 plus sine y by 2, or by taking cos y by 2 common from the right side, so we can also write x is equal to 1 minus tan y by 2 divided by 1 plus tan y by 2 by taking cos y by 2 common. So which can be written, x is equal to, so this is just like tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So a is nothing but 1, so that's pi by 4. So I can take it as a tan pi by 4 minus y by 2. So this is your x value. So we got it, x is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus y by 2. So let's differentiate with respect to x. So we'll get 1 is equal to, differentiation of tan is secant square of pi by 4 minus y by 2 into, again differentiation of pi by 4 minus y by 2 will get here 0 minus 1 upon 2 dy by dx. So this can be written, 1 is equal to, secant square is nothing but 1 plus tan square, so I can write 1 plus tan square of pi by 4 minus y by 2 into minus 1 by 2 dy by dx, or we can write it as, which is equal to, here it comes minus 2, so minus 2 is equal minus 2 dy by dx, minus 2, just write minus 2 is equal to 1 plus tan square pi by 4, tan pi by 4 minus y by 2 is equal to x, so we can write 1 plus x square into dy by dx, or we can also write dy by dx is equal to is equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. So we can say our answer differentiation with respect to x, the given function is minus 2 upon 1 plus x square.